Bianca Marie and welcome to my YouTube channel. Since Chinese New Year is coming, I've decided to film a simple Chinese New Year glam look. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. The first thing that I use before applying any makeup is the Nature Republic Soothing Gel Mist. While waiting for the mist to dry out, I will now proceed with my brows. The product that I use for my brows is the Maybelline Fashion Brow Duo Shaper. This is the one with a twistable pencil and the powder on the other side. And since I have that kind of bushy brow, I just fill in the bald areas of my brows. Now I'll brush off the excess with my spoolie brush. I always clean my brows with a concealer so that the shape will be more defined. For my primer, I use the Baby Skin Pore Eraser, also from Maybelline. This one's my favorite because it really gives me that poreless smooth skin, plus it's very lightweight and breathable. For my foundation, I will be using the NYX Stay Matte But Not Flat in the shade Natural. I am dabbing a beauty blender onto my foundation for that even, sheer coverage. I will now set the foundation with this loose powder from Snowy Cosmetics in the shade Perfect Beige or Medium. This one is made up of rare acai berry plus it has antioxidant. And for those who do not know, Snowy Cosmetics is a local brand here in the Philippines. I will use a concealer as my eye primer so that the eyeshadow will really stick onto my eyelids. Eyeshadow. So I will use ColourPop Fame Shadow Palette. Starting off with the razzle all over my eyelids using an all-over eyeshadow brush. Next is I will warm up my crease with Clubhouse. Tapping on Dazzle onto the center of my eyelid to make it look vibrant. Before anything else, I will brush off the excess powder first using a powder brush. Now I will mix Rosalind Clubhouse for my lower lash line. For my eyeliner, I use the Hyper Sharp Power Black, also from Maybelline. And for the highlight, I will use the Detail Baked Highlighter in the shade Peach Pie. So as you can see, I have already put on my eyelashes. For this look, I will be using the NYX Lingerie in the shade Exotic for my lips. This one used to be my favorite lippy because no matter how much you apply, it still feels soft on the lips, plus it doesn't come off easily. So here it is, my simple Chinese New Year glam. Please give a thumbs up if you liked my look, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you on my next video.